Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn your WRX STi grill into an S207 STi style grill like this. Enjoy! So this is a relatively cheap modification you can do, and all that you will need is a red vinyl pinstripe sticker in order to turn it into an S207 style grill. So the first thing you would want to do is clean the grill surface using a rag or whatever to make sure that the vinyl has a proper clean surface to stick to. Once you've cleaned the grill surface off of any dirt or dust, the next step you're going to want to do is to carefully apply the vinyl pinstripe onto the grill. So the main challenge is trying to get the vinyl to stick to the edges of the grill because they're in this little corner which is a bit tight with the upper part of the grill. But with a little bit of patience you can get it to properly stick onto it. Then it's a matter of just dragging the vinyl pinstripe across the width of the grill, making sure you don't accidentally get it too close with the mesh of the grill. Otherwise, the vinyl would not be flat on the surface. Like I said, this install is very easy. It's mostly a matter of being patient and making sure that the vinyl is properly aligned with the grill's curvature. So slowly drag and stick the vinyl across the grill, and the last most challenging step is trying to get the other end of the grill to properly stick. So as you approach the edge of the grill, what you want to do is estimate how much vinyl you're going to need and then cutting off the excess vinyl with a scissor. Once you've trimmed off the excess vinyl, simply carefully stick the last bit of vinyl onto the edge of the grill and you're basically done. So that's pretty much how you turn your WRX STi grill into an S207 style grill. Like I said, all that you will need for this install is a red vinyl pinstripe and you're pretty much set. Personally, I think it makes a huge difference in how the front of the car looks. It looks a lot more aggressive and is definitely a mod worth trying. Sorry if this video seemed a bit rushed, I just got done with exams and wanted to get a video out as soon as possible. Either way, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial or want to see more content like this, please do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That's it for this video guys, stay safe and I'll see you in the next one.